Investing in options can be complex for beginners, but with proper understanding, it offers potential rewards. Here's a simple guide. Educate yourself. Learn the basics of options. They give you the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. Understand risks. Options trading involves risk, including potential loss of the premium you pay for the option. Choose a platform. Select a brokerage platform that offers options trading for beginners. Many online platforms provide educational resources and simulated trading to practice without real money. Learn option strategies. Explore basic strategies like buying call or put options and selling call or put options. Understand how they work and their risk-reward profiles. Start small. Begin with a small amount of capital. Avoid using all your funds on one trade. Practice. Most platforms offer paper trading to help you practice without risking real money. This helps you understand how options behave in different scenarios. Use simple strategies. As a beginner, stick to basic strategies like buying calls or puts. More complex strategies like spreads and straddles can come later as you gain experience. Manage risk. Set stop-loss limits to protect your investment from significant losses. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Stay updated. Follow financial news and monitor the underlying assets you're trading options on.